Hi everyone, my name is Monica Moss and I am a co-teacher for Algebra 1 and Math Models. So I am a second teacher in the classroom that helps facilitate learning. So I help with teaching. My degree is in mathematics, so I will help deliver the lessons. I will help explain if anyone has questions. And then I'm also there to help with accommodations and special education. So if you have like accommodations such as check for understanding or things like that, I'm also there to help with those accommodations. My tutoring is going to be Tuesday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 9:45 a.m. There will be a link for my tutoring in the Google Classroom under my resource section under classwork. I can also be reached by email at mmoss@neisd.net. I am super excited for this wonderful year at Churchill, and go Chargers!